These types of AI cat videos are going viral all over the internet, especially on YouTube, and all of these videos are getting millions of views. This YouTube channel has gained over 1 million subscribers by uploading only 28 shorts. This channel has gained 2 million subscribers with only 92 shorts, and this YouTube channel has gained over 3 million subscribers by uploading only 96 videos, which is just insane. If you scroll down, you will see all of their videos are getting millions of views. As you can see, 90 million, 85 million, 47 million, and more. All of their videos are getting millions of views. So if you can make similar videos, you will definitely go viral in a few months. To know why they are going viral, let's watch some of their most viral videos. Let's watch another video from a different channel. The best part of this niche is that you can make a similar video in just a few minutes without spending a single penny. And you don't have to waste your time writing scripts and recording voices. AI will do everything for you for free. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step on how you can make similar videos that go viral. I will also share some techniques and prompts to get similar high-quality results. So let's get started. To make a viral cat video, we are going to do 3 steps. Step 1 is to generate AI images. To do that, we are going to use an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI. I will put the link in the video description. Now quickly sign in with your Google account, and then you will get to this page. Here you will see lots of mind-blowing AI images generated by Leonardo AI. You can get some prompt ideas from here. This AI tool is not completely free. On a free account, you will get 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our purpose. So now click on Image Creation. You will get to this page. In this box, we need to type our prompt. I have created some prompts for you. You can access these prompts for free from the video description. Your job is to copy these prompts one by one and paste them into this box. You can edit these prompts to create more variations. If you use Mid-Journey AI or Stable Diffusion, you can also use the same prompts to get more high-quality images. Now make sure to select the right aspect ratio. I am going to select 9:16 because it's best for shorts. Then go to Preset and select this one. If you click here, you will get the results in just a few seconds. As you can see, I have generated some amazing images with this AI tool. You will find all the prompts in my doc file. I will put the link in the video description where you will find more prompts to generate similar AI images. Now we need to download all the images by clicking on this icon. So we have successfully completed our first step. Step 2 is to edit and animate images. To do that, we are going to use a free video editing software called CapCut. It's available on all devices. If it's not available in your country, you can use a VPN to access it. When you open the CapCut app, you will see this interface. Now, let's import all the images and drag them to the timeline. Now adjust the placement of all the images according to your story. Here, you need to tell a story with these images. So make sure to maintain the sequence of every image. For instance, I want to create a story about a kitten who was sitting in the bathroom while using a mobile phone. Suddenly, the phone fell into the water and the kitten started crying. To make the video engaging, you need to decrease the duration of each image so viewers won't get bored. Okay. Now it's time to animate all the images. To make the video engaging, we need to use different animations for different images. Let's start with the first image. Click on the image. Go here and click on Animation. I now select Combo, and you will see all these animation presets. You can try different animation styles to find the best one for your image. For instance, I am using this style for the first image. Here is the result. It's really good. In the same way, we need to use different animations for all the images. Let's check it. Okay, it's pretty good. If you want to add background music, you can easily do that. But I recommend using trending music from YouTube so your video will go viral in a few days. You need to find the best performing videos in this niche and add the same music to your video. I will show you in the next step how to do that. So our video is almost ready. Now we can easily export the video by clicking here. Step 3 is to learn some tips to go viral. Number 1, tell a story. Don't just make a random video with some AI images. To get likes and subscribers, you need to tell a story with these images. If you watch some of their videos, you will notice that all of their videos tell a different story. If you can't tell a story with your video, it won't go viral. Number 2, be creative with prompts. Please don't rely solely on my prompts. I will provide only 10 prompts for 10 different styles of cat images, but you need to be creative. You can take inspiration from my prompts and then create new prompts according to your story. In most cases, you just need to change the first few words and you will get your desired result. Number 3, don't use any random music. Try to follow their viral videos and use the same music in your video. You can use their music without any copyright issues. You just need to upload the video from your mobile phone to get the option to add music. If you click here, you will get to this page where you will find all the viral music. You just need to search by the music name. I have some saved music. Let's check. Wow, this is good. You can use this music if you want. Here is the result. If you invest some time, you will be able to create a more beautiful video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. If you want to know how to make money with AI videos, this video is for you.